I'm going to start going through the back office or your dashboard. I'm going to talk about post. This is the meat of your blog, how to add post. So we're going to click on post. A default post comes with a WordPress install. You can do one of two things. You can edit it or you can trash it and start over. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And just for this example, I'm going to say welcome to my blog for training's sake. But here's what you want to make sure. The permalink. The title of your blog becomes part of your URL. I'll show you how to make sure that that happens down further in training under settings. So because this is the default, we don't want our blog to say hello world. So we're going to click on edit like I did, and I'm going to type the words welcome to my blog. Now that's not what you want to name your first blog title, obviously. You always want to be thinking about search terms and stuff like that. But click OK. And then what you'll want to do is start writing in your blog. Now this is what's called, this is how you bold, italicize. So if I wanted to bold my first word, it's just like typing in Microsoft Word. If I wanted to change the color, I'm going to use the drop down here. Now what happens, what might happen when you see your blog? There are two tabs, Visual and HTML. Okay, I'm on the Visual tab. If you do not see this second line, it's because this right here is not showing. So if you click on Show or Hide, it's called the kitchen sink. Show or hide the kitchen sink. That's what you want to do. You can bullet. I'm not going to go through every single one of these. If I wanted to scratch this word out, I can do that, and it'll put a line through it. If I wanted to bullet, if I wanted to number, if I wanted to do a block quote, and I wanted to quote something, I could do that here by clicking that. It'll indent it. If I want to left align or center or right align, I can do that. If you're typing a long post, and I don't recommend that you do, I would rather see post broken up into series as opposed to long drawn out post. You can click here, and you've seen blogs that say click here to read more. That's what that button is. It'll put a button in there that says click here to read more. I do not use it. I'd rather write a small series of posts. This is your spell check. This is to toggle to the full screen. Again, I told you this. This is a plugin where you can add a next gen gallery of pictures to your blog post if you wanted to. If I wanted to make this more prominent, I can come down here and choose heading 1, heading 2, and you see how big that got right away. I can underline using this. If I had a long series, a nice big couple of paragraphs, and I wanted them both to be justified left and right, you can do that. This is the copy and paste button. This is remove the formatting. So if I wanted to remove that formatting, it took my line out from there. Okay, this is where I can insert media. This is a custom character. If you wanted a custom character, a copyright symbol, there's my copyright symbol, and this is that's your custom character. This is if I just wanted to indent a line. I'm going to left align this here, and I wanted to indent once. That'll do. If I want to undo that, it'll undo. And here is where I can insert pictures and videos. I'm going to go over that in the next video.